How to fix Emo Marketplace not showing. Hey there everyone, welcome back to the SkyTech Studio, and today's guide I'll show you how you can fix if the Emo Marketplace option not showing on your emo application. It's super easy, but before start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Well, so now to fix Emo Marketplace not showing problem, you just need to open up the settings from your phone first and then go to the apps section and then go and tap on apps, and sometime it's coming up with the manage apps. You can get into this one and then simply go and search for Emo app right here. And once you get the Emo app, go ahead and tap on the Emo app right here and then scroll down from this page and get to see the storage option. Go ahead and tap on these and go and tap on clear cache at the bottom right. Now the cache will be cleared. Now you just need to get back from here and then open up the Play Store and then go ahead and search for Emo here and then go and tap on the Emo application once again, and if you found any pending update, go ahead and update your Emo application to the very latest version. And once you do that, just get back from here and then restart your phone once. And once you do that, most likely your problem is going to be solved, and go to the Emo and you'll get to see the marketplace option is available. You can tap on these and you can explore the marketplace from here. Hope you find this pretty helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to this channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.